Will former employees of Twitter end up owning Twitter? Before Elon crashed Twitter revenue, it looked likely that some amount of despicable foot-dragging just to drain the resources of the people litigating against him, Elon would settle with Twitter's ex-employees over their severance payments and other contractual obligations. Now I doubt that Twitter has the money or could create the money anytime soon. Several senior managers of pre-acquisition Twitter have employment agreements that specify payments in the millions to tens of millions. Thousands of Twitter employees were laid off in violation of California regulations and never received their severance pay as agreed by pre-acquisition Twitter management. Altogether, this adds up to hundreds of millions of dollars. If I were in charge of managing one of the bank loans that are in the LBO deal, I would be paying attention to this issue because, as former employees, these litigants might end up ahead of me in the queue for Twitter's remaining value. But is this problem an opportunity? One of the things that prevents lenders from going hands-on to secure their loans is that they're utterly unprepared to operate Twitter, even if they could lay claim to ownership. But the former senior management to Twitter, the ones who haven't already scored senior positions elsewhere, are just the right candidates to restore some value to Twitter. So if I was renegotiating these loan terms, I would be reaching out to litigants against Twitter to see if a deal could be struck. Is this plausible? Bankers hate complex involvement that their loans may drag them into. Elon managed to beat an ERISA-based class action, but he is still tangled up in thousands of arbitration cases and dozens of other lawsuits. Many former employees have likely moved on, but both bankers and litigants could be sufficiently motivated by making their claims on Twitter actually be worth something.